Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now we are given what 2 raised to the power of x is equals to what 2 multiplied by x. We are asked to find the value of what x. Now our first step, what we are going to do, we are going to divide both sides by 2 to the power of x. So if we divide here by what 2 to the power of x and divide here by what 2 to the power of x. Now 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is what is 1 equals to. Now, by one of the properties of indices, we are going to do amazing things here. There's just something we are going to do here. Do you know what? We can also write this as 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2 raised to, multiplied by what? 2 raised to the power what? Minus x. Because 2 raised to the power minus x is the same thing as what? 2x divided by what? 2 raised to the power of x. Okay? That's amazing. Now, this implies that 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus s is equals to what? 1. Our second step, what we're going to do is to divide both sides by 2. So if we divide this by 2, also divide this by 2. Now this 2 will cancel out this. We'll now see that we are left with what? X multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus s equals to what? 0.5. Because 1 over 2 is the same as 0.5. Now, note that if you have e to the power of ln a is always equals to what? A. This is one of the properties of what? This is one of the properties of logarithm. We can raise this as this 2. So we can say that s multiplied by 2 e raised to the power what? Ln 2 to the power of minus x is the same thing equals to what? 0.5. Because 2 raised e raised to the power of ln 2 multiplied by e raised to the power of ln 2 raised to the power minus s is the same as 2 raised to the power 1 minus s by obeying these properties. Very simple, interesting, right? Now, what are we going to do? I want you to understand that the Lambda W function of what into a multiplied by e raised to the power of a is always equals to what? A. Now, if you want to take the Lambda W function of this problem here, what are we going to do? Because if we take that this a you are seeing here is what is here, which is ln 2 raised to the power minus s, but ln 2 raised to the power minus s is not here. Now this power which is minus x can also go back to multiply the ln. So now this is what? X multiplied by e raised to the power what? Let me write it well. What we have, this is x multiplied by e raised to the power what? Minus s what? Ln 2 equals to what? 0.5. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, now what we are going to do here, understand these properties, that the Lambda W function of a multiplied by e raised to the power a is equals to a. Now we can say that this a you are seeing here, this a is equals to what? Minus s ln what? Ln 2. Okay, but we are not having, but we are seeing a here, but we are not having the same minus s ln 2 here. So what are we going to do? Since we have x here, we have to multiply both sides by what? Minus ln 2, so that we can achieve what? Minus s ln 2. So if we multiply this by minus ln 2, what I have, this is minus s what? Minus s what? Ln 2. Okay, because we multiply here by minus ln 2, because remember that s was here already. Then multiply by e raised to the power what? Minus s what? Ln 2. Okay, equals to minus what? Ln 2. Okay, multiply by 0.5. Okay, this is 0.5, right? This is 0.5. Okay, now this is amazing. Okay, or let me use in fraction so that it's not be confused. Know that 0.5 is as 1 over 2, right? 1 over 2. This is pocket-continuous. This is amazing. Now we can take the Lambda W function of both sides. That means the Lambda W function of minus x, okay, ln 2, okay, multiplied by e raised to the power what? Minus x ln 2, okay, is equals to, now because what? The Lambda W function of what? Into, now this is the same as minus ln 2, okay, divided by what? 2. Okay, this is pocket-continuous. Amazing. I love this. Perfect. Excellent. Now, if we take the Lambda W function of this, remember the properties. It said the Lambda W function of a multiplied by e raised to a is equals to what? A. That means the Lambda W function of this will just give us what? Minus what? X ln what? Ln 2. Remember that I let a equals to what? Minus what? X ln 2. So the outcome is what? Minus s ln 2 equals to the Lambda W function of minus ln 2 divided by what? 2. Wow, this is pocket-continuous. Beautiful. I love this. Now, remember, our target is to find the value of what? X. Now, we have to divide both sides by what? Link 2, and divide the whole of this by what? Link 2. Okay? So that this will cancel out this, right? Now, see that minus S is equals to the W function of what? Into minus link 2, okay, divided by 2, all over what? All over link 2. Wow. Wow. Now we are getting that minus S is equals to this. But remember, we are asked to find the positive X, not the negative X. So what are we going to do so that I can remove this minus S from here? We have to multiply both sides by what? By minus 1. Okay? Now if you multiply this by minus 1, also multiply this by minus 1. Let's see. So if you multiply this by minus 1, this minus 1 will go out. So now this is what? S equals to what? The minus W function, because that minus you multiply both sides will affect this W function, and the minus will cancel out. Remember that minus times minus is positive. That's why we minus positive X equals to what? Into the minus link 2 divided by 2 all over what? Link 2. Now this is the value of X. But look at simple simplification I'm going to do here. Now minus W function into minus link 2 divided by 2 all over link 2. Now it's not all calculators that have this function. Remember that Lambert W function is a product of what? Logarithm. Okay? Now it's not all calculator that I have, but I've tested this in my calculator. All this you are seeing, I've tested it in my calculator, apart from the minus sign. So that means S will be equals to what? Minus 1 into this minus 1 you are seeing is this minus that is here. I've tested the degree function of what? Minus link 2 divided by 2 all over link 2. The outcome is just minus 1. The outcome of all this, let me just put it well. The outcome of all this you are seeing, apart from the minus 1 that is here, that multiply, apart from this minus 1 that multiply the Lambert function, all this you are seeing just give me what? Minus 1. Okay? That means minus 1 times minus 1 is positive. That means S is equals to what? Positive what? 1. And this is the value of S that satisfy this equation. Now let's see. If here is X and our X is 1, 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. And 2 multiplied by 1 is still 2. So when S is equals to 1, satisfy this equation. Most of you have said the answer is 2. But by my solving, by following this step, I got that S equals to what? 1. And I want to satisfy this equation. If S is 2 also, 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. But by following this procedure and this method I've used, I got that X is equals to what? 1. So thank you so much for watching. Please, very, very interesting. Don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and share with your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I do an exciting video, you notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.